Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This video is for all my freelancing fans out there who love to do freelancing but do not have any kind of higher technical skills or any kind of natural skill which gives them the ability to make money on the internet. Because in this video, I'm going to introduce you to 7 amazing methods using which you can make lots and lots of money online without having any skill. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need any kind of skill to do these jobs, and you'll be able to make lots of money online. Now, these skills are applicable to all age groups throughout the world. You can be present in any country or speak any language. These methods work in all languages, for all people, all races, all locations, everywhere. So let's get started. But first, before getting started, I recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates on our future videos as well. Now, you might already know that Fiverr is one of the best places on the internet to hire a freelancer. I'm sure if I tell you these things, you are going to get your profile created and your gift created on Fiverr. That's why I will be showing you real examples of people making money from the same skills. So let's get started now. As you can see that this is the first skill, and this is called a voiceover. Right now, what you're hearing from me is a voiceover. As you know, I'm already speaking something, but this doesn't make me a professional. I'm just like you, a normal person who is doing voiceover right now. And just like me, you can also do the voiceover. Voiceovers are one of the highest main skills available on Fiverr. And you can see that people are making $35, $25, $20 for small voiceovers, as small as 1 minute. And you'll see if I go to this one, you can see how much money people are making. So for 100 words, someone is charging $35. For 1,000, someone is charging $350. Just imagine the amount of money you'll be making if you do the same. That's why I always refer people to do voiceovers, because this is one of the highest meaning skills, and voiceovers are available for all languages. English, German, French, Arabic, Italian, Spanish. In fact, even your regional languages, you can make lots of money if you are doing voiceovers. Now, the second skill I would recommend is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant doesn't have to be any expert in any of the skills. You can just be as good as in bookkeeping. You can be someone who can do proofreading and typing. You can be someone who posts on the internet. These things don't need any school. These are things we learn in our day-to-day life from school to college. So that's why I recommend you to be a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll be easily able to make $10 to $50 per hour. Beginners in virtual assistants make up to around $10 to $15 per hour. And if someone is experienced, like 6 months or 1 year, they'll be able to charge $30 or $40 per hour easily. And you can see that virtual assistants are also very popular. The number of reviews these people have, the number of gigs they have done, there's a lot of money in virtual assistants as well. The next skill I want to target is image background removal. You heard it right. You don't have to be an expert in Photoshop to remove these backgrounds. All you need to do is go to a website called RemoveBG. On RemoveBG, you just have to upload an image and it will automatically remove the background. I'll show you an example. If someone adds an image which looks like this, with the removed background, it will look like this. And as you can see, the original image looks like this, and with the removed background, it looks like this. You can just click on download and it will be downloaded to your computer for free. You can see it doesn't really need any skill to do it. It looks very technical to the people who are not aware of it, but it's a great way to make money online. And people are charging $5, $25, $40 for doing this kind of work. You can also make a lot of money using the same simple tasks. Now, the next thing I would like to introduce to you, it's called testing. Yeah, you heard it right. Someone will send you a link to their website, and you just need to go to it and test it. If you find some flaws, just note them down and tell them, and you'll be getting paid for it. This is absolutely true. People are paying you to test their own mobile applications, test their games, courses, websites, applications, and you can make a lot of money using testing. It is one of the best and easiest ways to make money online in today's world, as testing is a must-have for all businesses out there. No one wants to have a dirty or a mismanaged product out there with lots of bugs and function problems. That's why these big companies pay a lot of money to do the testing. You can see that someone is charging $40, $25, $20, and $5 for these kinds of testing services where they will take your app, take your website, test it, and they'll tell you the problem so that you can later fix it. So if you know how to position yourself well in the testing industry, you can make up to $50 to $100 per test. Now the next skill I want to share with you is called memes. These are the same names that you see on the internet, and it's a very high-paying job. Now you might not be a humorous person, I understand, and you might not be aware of all the trending things. And that's why I want to introduce you to a special website after this. And that website is going to create memes for you automatically. You heard it right, and you can see that people are charging $5, $10 for these kinds of memes. And if you want to create these kinds of memes for absolutely free, then I have this awesome website for you called Image Flip Coma. When it comes to this website, you'll just have to click on any of these images and it will create a meme for you randomly. For example, this meme was created for me randomly without anything. If I click on this, they will generate a random meme. And this is not something which was created before. This is the first time someone has created this meme, and this is an AI tool that you can use. You can even click on as many images as you want, and the more and more images you click, the more and more names will be generated. It's a very amazing method to make money on the internet where you create memes for an absolutely 0 seconds of time, and you see these memes with just a single click, and then these memes are sent to clients and you get paid for it. Now the next one I want to share with you is called proofreading. Proofreading is also a very popular way to make money. But you don't have to type anything, you just have to find out the errors. I'm confident that since you are able to understand this video, you put in English. If there are other people who are out there, they can put in languages like German, French, Italian, Hindi, and you can earn money using proofreading. Basically, you just have to go and verify the things written in any textual document. It can be an ebook, a brochure, or a blog post. They'll send you this blog post or ebook or anything for proofreading, and you have to read it and tell and point out all of the errors. People are charging $20 for a single document, $40, $75, $100. The money which can be earned using proofreading is huge. You can make lots and lots of money using this amazing method where you don't actually have to type anything, just proofread. Now I would like to add there is an amazing tool called Grammarly that you can use. Grammarly is going to help you find out mistakes in an instant. Now the last and final of the 7 skills I would like to share with you is called SEO report. There are many tools on the internet available that will give you an SEO report. So when someone comes to you and says, "This is my website, I want an SEO report," you just have to copy their website URL and go to tools like Ubersuggest or Moz, SEMrush, where they will generate an SEO report for you. Now this might be a little new to you as you might have never heard of SEO reports, but you can see that people are charging $45 and having over 1,000 reviews. 910 reviews at $60, 1,000 reviews at $60.25. It's a good thing since it's new in the market and you can still make lots of money using the same skill. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Wait, everyone, where are you going? Before you leave, I have an amazing offer for you, which can make amazing money online. You don't have to do any hard work, create any videos, or write content. It's a cash injection system that forces $20 payment into your bank account. Yes, you heard it right. The more you follow this process, the more you make money online. This method helps you to earn money on autopilot. You are just 3 clicks away from receiving endless payments. As you can see here, this is the name of this amazing money-making software called Injecto. It's the world's first ever cash injecting system. You can see the amazing reviews shared by the people for this amazing app. You just need to follow 3 simple steps and boom, you will make a lot of money online without actually doing anything. So what are you waiting for? Go get the link from the description and get started today. I hope you enjoyed this bonus offer. Thank you for watching. Now before you go, I would like to ask you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications for our future videos.